Imagine a tomorrow without elephants, without coral reefs, without the sound of bird in the morning. Imagine your children asking, what did a butterfly look like? And all you can show them is a picture. This is not a distant fantasy. It is a reality unfolding in front of us. Scientists call it the sixth mass extinction. And unlike the previous five caused by asteroids or volcanic eruption, this one has single cause: us, humans. Earth has seen five mass extinctions before. Dinosaurs disappeared in one of them around 65 million years ago. Today, we are living through the sixth, but the cause is different. Not space rocks or eruption, but climate change, pollution, and habitat loss created by human activity. The United Nations warns that 1 million species are now at risk of extinction within decades. 1 in 8 species could vanish forever. That means a world with far fewer animals, far less plants, and far less beauty and balance. To understand the crisis, let's look at some examples. Polar bears. In the Arctic, sea ice melts earlier every summer, and polar bear depends on this ice to hunt. With it disappearing, they are starving. And if warming continues, they may be nearly extinct by the end of the century. Coral reefs, often known as the rainforest of the ocean. Reefs support a quarter of marine life. But when the ocean heats up, corals bleach and die. Scientists warns up to 99% of reefs may vanish by the year 2100. Amphibians. Frogs and salamanders are the fastest declining group of animals. A deadly combination of disease, changing rainfall, and rising temperature is wiping them out. Monarch butterflies. These fragile creatures used to migrate by the millions across the North America. But the climate change and habitat destruction have shrunk these numbers dramatically. Plants. We often forget them, but plants are disappearing as rainfall, soil, and seasons shift. With them, the food chain collapse. Someone might ask, why should we care if a frog or a butterfly disappears? The answer is simple. Our survival is tied to theirs. Pollinators like bees and butterflies keeps our food growing. Without them, the crops fails. Fish stocks in healthy oceans supports millions of livelihoods, and forests act as the lungs of our planet. They absorb carbon and give us fresh oxygen. Every species is a link in a chain. Break too many links and the whole chain collapse. The extinction crisis is not just about animals. It's about people, health, food, and survival. But there is hope. We can slow it down and even stop it. As nation and leaders cut greenhouse gas emissions, protect forest and shift to renewable energy and invest in conservation. As individuals, eat sustainably, waste less and support reforestation. Use your voice to demand stronger climate action. Every small step adds up. Every choice matters because what we do now decides which species might survive and which are lost. If we stay silent, the history will remember us as the generation that caused this sixth mass extinction. But if we act, the history will remember us as the generation that saved life on Earth. The generation that chose to protect elephant, butterflies, coral reefs, polar bears, and in the process protected itself. The choice is ours. Let's not let species vanish into silence, because when they disappear, a part of us disappears too.